going on, guys? So today I'm going to be finishing the 135 exhaust. Here's a quick reminder of where I'm at. So I have the merge pipe done with the two flanges that hook to the two down pipes. So we've got the 2.5 that go to a single 3-inch. And then now I've made my way so far to about the rear axle. So now from here I'm gonna have to go around the differential and then get it going towards the outlet in the bumper. So now I'm gonna bolt it back up on the car and keep building. So I just made this piece that kind of snakes around the differential and the lower control arm there. But first, before I put that on, I'm going to make the hanger for this guy, just to make sure that all stays in place now as I build the rest of the exhaust. Alright, so I've now got that little S bend that goes next to the differential welded on. And for now, I just decided I'm going to go with a single tip like this. I looked at a few different setups of dual tips, and I just didn't really like anything specifically right now. So for now, I'm just going to leave it single like this, and then I can really easily just chop it there and add some different tips at another time. But yeah, I think this is gonna be fine for now. Just do a single 3-inch tip. So everything is tacked minus this last connection to the S here. So I'm gonna tack that, and then I will add one more hanger back here, and then I'll just have to take it off and then do all the final welds on all those tacks. Probably polish the tip a little bit, and it should be good to go. Here it is, the final product. So I just finished welding, and I also polished the end a little bit. So yeah, it came out pretty well. Let's see if I can get some focus in here. So yeah, it finished up nice. Like I said, I might end up adding a dual tip of some sort in the future. But for now, I'm gonna run it like this. So in summary, we've got the two downpipes coming in. Those are two 2.5 inch flanges merging into a single 3 inch, and it goes that way the whole way back. And this is where it kind of has to S around the lower control arm in the rear and around the diff, and then straight out the back. So I've got 2 hangers, which should be plenty. This is much lighter than the original system right there. I'm gonna bolt it up, put it down, and give it a start.